Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you. Alright, we left 100 in there. Throw 200 there, play. Coming back. 250 again. Come on. Let's go. Buffalo, 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 Buffalo. There we go. 250 bet, 40, 30. How about another one? Let's get another one. Come on. Oh, no. That was so close, you guys. Come on. Oh, man. What is going on here? Ay, ay, ay. 3 more spins to go. Come on. 2 more spins. Come on. Oh, come on. Damn it. Come on. And it with good. Oh my God. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. All right. Let's get a good spin here. Bonus again, please. No. Coins? No. Buffalo, 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 Buffalo. There we go.
Big win.
Big win. Yes, big win. Yes. Come on, let's run this up. 70 bucks. All right. I have a feeling we might hit a big winner here soon. All right. Couple more spins. Hearts. Come on. Buffalo, Buffalo. Stampede, Buffalo. No way. It's okay. Come on. Let's go. There we go. We finally hit the miners. Remember we kept seeing the miner fireballs drop? Finally got the miner, 2 of them, which is nice. Come on. It's $500 right there already alone. Come on, baby. Hit that major. It dropped back down. Finally built it back up to 7K. Come on. Oh man, a mini drop. Come on. Oh my God, look at all them coins. Imagine they would have all stayed 256K grand. Be so sick. Boom. There we go. Reset back to 3. Let's go. 2 more spins. Oh! Come on. Let's go. Full screen. 4 more little boxes. You can do it. 1 spin left. Come on. Oh my God. Come on, 1 more spin. Boom. Oh no. Oh no, drop. Oh man. 500. 5555, I believe. Man, this is nice win. Yeah, 555. Big winner. Come on, let's get a couple more spins. Nice spins in here. We can do it. I have a feeling. Oh, man.
5 of a kind.
5 of a kind hearts. Come on. Come on, coins. Come on, coins. There we go. Let's get the major now this time.
Shot.
Man, we're up to 800 already. Wow. Boom. Oh my god, the miner just dropped again. Come on. Come back. Come back. Oh my god. Oh man. Come on. Oh, don't be doing that. Oh, the mani. Oh man. Last one. Bank that major. Oh, mani. Oh, miner. Oh my gosh. Come on, don't do that to me. Come on. I don't know why the Stampede Fury game, the first one. Oh my god. When they go to the spin, it goes so slow. Oh! Oh! Something happened. Did you guys see that? I think I got a coin, but it didn't show. Oh my god, the miner again, guys. Come on. Let's get a full screen. Full screen. Oh no. Doesn't look too good. Oh man. The miner and oh, there we go, guys. Oh. Woo. Come on. Yeah, it missed like 3-4 times and then it finally hit. Oh man, 2 coins drop. Oh, come on. Stick. Oh man, what if we do hit that grand? Oh no. That's it. Wow. Nice, nice. That was an exciting round. Over $1,000. I might just cash out in the night, guys. Unbelievable. Big winner. Wow. Over $1,000, guys. Couple more spins here and I'm gonna cash out, leave like 100 or 200 in here so I could play.
Five of a kind.
Alright guys, I was gonna stop but I can't. I have a feeling like I'm gonna win a big one. Come on. We'll cash out after this round. But like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification button, comment below what you guys want me today and try. And yeah. Boom. There we go. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's get it. Come on. Alright, last one. Let's get it. Oh my god, the new drop. Alright. This is just a small one. I decided to bet very small to try to hit that major. At least we got over $1,000, so I'm happy with the result. We started with like $30 or something like that. Took us like almost 4 videos to get that 1,000, but we'll take it. All right, couple more spins here. Boom, Buffalo, Buffalo, Buffalo. There we go, guys. All right, that was fun. I'm gonna cash this out, leave like 100 in there so I could play some more and see we win. Peace out. Enjoy the videos.
Five of a kind.